We'll guide you through how to use Dropbox as a student, making the most of its features for your academic needs. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Dropbox website and log in or create a new account if you haven't already. Once you're in, you'll see your home dashboard where you can store and manage all your files. To upload a document, simply click on the Upload button located at the top right corner, then select Files or Folder depending on what you need. This is a great way to keep all your notes and assignments organized and accessible from anywhere. Next, you can create new folders for each subject or project by clicking the NEW Folder button. Name your folders clearly, like Math Notes or History Project, to keep everything organized. If you're collaborating on a group project, you can easily share files with your classmates. Just right-click on the file or folder you want to share, select Share, and enter the email addresses of your group members. They can access and edit the documents in real time, which is perfect for teamwork. Another handy feature is Dropbox Paper, where you can create and edit documents directly in Dropbox. This tool is awesome for taking class notes or drafting essays, and it allows for seamless collaboration with others. You can find Dropbox Paper by clicking on Paper in the left sidebar. Don't forget to regularly back up your files by downloading them to your computer or an external drive, ensuring you always have a copy in case of emergencies. Dropbox also offers a search function at the top of the page, allowing you to quickly find any document or folder without scrolling through everything. This can save you a lot of time, especially when you're in a hurry. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.